This tutorial will guide you through the first use of your Millo Blender. Switch on the blender by holding down the power button for 5 seconds. Open the blending lid. Don't forget to wash the cup and the blending lid before you use it for the first time. Make sure you put some ingredients or water in the blender. It's important that you never power up the blender when it's empty. Twist the blending lid until it is tightly fastened. If the blending lid is not closed properly, the lights on the base will blink. Once the cup has been closed, place the cup on the center of the base. It's best to place the cup on the base at an angle, as the magnetic force can be quite strong. The base has a 360-degree touch-sensitive surface, so wherever you touch it, controls will appear. The right side provides manual speed control, while the left side allows you to initiate Millo's 3 pre-programmed settings: Smoothie, Pulse for Ice, and Silent Mode blending at lower speed. You can adjust the speed during blending. Just touch the base and the manual controls will appear. The blender will stop automatically after about 1 minute. Rinse the blending lid and wipe the base with a wet cloth if needed. The cup and drinking lid are dishwasher friendly. To check battery level, just give the power button on the underside of the base a short press. This is the display you will see when the battery is 50% charged. And this is the display you will see when the battery is 100% charged. When the battery is very low, only one light will be shown, and the blender will stop blending. You will find the charger located beneath the blender base in the Millo box. To charge the base, connect the charger. Blinking lights indicate battery level. Again, you can check battery level during charging by pressing the button on the underside of the base. Using the Millo mobile app, you'll be able to download the newest firmware updates and access additional features. If you have any question, do not hesitate to contact us at support@getmillo.com.